Okay guys, this is a testnet airdrop. uh this is the sandbox. This token is not a new project. It has been in existence for many years ago now. The coin is being listed in exchanges. Even in Binance you can see the exchange there. The name is the sandbox. It's a gaming token. Okay, so they are doing their testnet. The price of the sandbox as I'm making this video is 0.275. That is the current price as I'm making this video. Okay, now I want to teach you how we can participate in this airdrop. So this is not a Telegram tapping. Do not just depend on Telegram alone. Look for testnet token. Do you know the beauty of testnet token? You will learn a lot. Even if they did not reward you, the knowledge you got from doing testnets can never be a waste. Okay, so pay attention. I'm using my PC for this tutorial, but you can do it if you're using Android. Understand? So what are you going to do? Before you participate, you have to click on the link I'll drop on the comment section. Then make sure you participate. They raised $120 million for this testnet airdrop. So you need to participate so you can be rewarded at the end of everything. Now when you open the link, you go down, you come here and click on this website. This is the rules. Go to the website and put your email in the inbox, then click on reserve. Then what are we going to do now? I click on this website, another page will open. So this is the page. Here you input your email address. This testnet is not hard to do. Under 2 minutes you are done with it. Please, in case you're watching me and you're not following me, please follow me. Make sure you share, like and comment. Okay, your comment is so important. Please. Now I will go ahead and put my email address. After that, you can click on reserve. Your spot is reserved. You will be notified about Alpha Session 4 update soon. So this is how to participate. Then when they are ready, they will email you on your email address, in your email address you provided. Understand? So I believe this testnet airdrop will cook. So you need to look out for testnet. This one is free of charge. You don't pay for this testnet. It's free, totally free. I mean free. So you don't need to pay anything. Take this opportunity and run for it. So make sure you follow me if you're watching from Facebook, and if you're watching from YouTube, make sure you subscribe. If you're watching from TikTok, make sure you follow me, please. Please. So next tutorial will be coming up in no recent time. So wait for it. I love you all. Thank you and God bless you.